Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today, first of all, I need to ask that I didn't get the homework from all of you. I don't know why didn't you submit the homework, as I told you in previous class that you need to submit the homework, as we have done. We have watched a video in last class and I told you to note down the words. So Ashar and Hashir, have you done your homework or not?
Miss, I
I
done.
write it the words, but I should make sentences, right?
Yes.
Miss,
Have you done
I
or not?
Asher's done.
Okay, that's fine. Right now we have like we have just began, so it's okay. But I must say that if you guys will do the work and do the practice consistently, then you can get a strong grip in your speaking or listening skills. So I would suggest that kindly do the work properly, as we have 3 classes in a week. So rest of the days, you guys have to take out some time for practicing regarding listening and speaking. Okay, and I would definitely guide you how to do it. As in the beginning, I told you that take out some time. Write down in your notebook that how much time you can take out for your speaking practice, like half an hour you can spend daily, or for the speaking, and half an hour you can spend in a day for listening practice. For listening, I have sent the video which which you will have to watch, and you have to note down the vocabulary from that video, that how the way people are communicating in that video. So kindly do it. If you guys will do the same practice which I'm mentioning here, so you will definitely get to know the things gradually and simultaneously. Try to. Okay, and Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Muaz, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay,
Walaikum assalam.
that's great. Yes, today we have a new student, Hassan. He is joining us, and he will, yes, he will also continue with you guys. Muaz, also, I want to remind you that in previous class I have given some homework. So it's okay if you didn't submit. Right now we just have begun our classes, so that's why I must say that you guys have to submit the homework. You guys have 4 days, a part of 3 classes, so you have to submit the homework regularly. Don't skip the homework. Don't skip the practice regarding speaking and listening. So let's start. First of all, Hashir and Salar, you guys have to tell me one by one about your routine, that how do you wake up in the morning, and like let me tell you about my routine, then you can obviously rest of the kids are younger than you. You and Salar are elder than other kids, so you have to practice so other kids can get to know how to tell about their routine. Okay, as I'm starting, let me tell you about my routine, that I used to wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock. After offering prayers of Fajr, I used to recite Quran, and then I used to go to make the breakfast for my child, and then we eat breakfast properly. So slowly and gradually, I am explaining about my routine. So have you noticed the way I am explaining about my routine life, that I didn't use any of the difficult prepositions or difficult second, third forms of verb. I'm telling you about my routine in a very simple way. Like I used to wake up, or you can say I wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock. I offer prayers of Fajr, and then I recite Quran, and then I start studying. You can say I start my study after having my breakfast and this and that. So in this way, you guys have to tell me the routine. Yes, Hashir and Salar, they are used to practice the English speaking. So that's why I must say we will start from Salar. Okay, Salar, tell me about your routine, kindly. Yes. Start. Louder.
Guys, I used to wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock, and then I pray Fajr namaz, and then I recite some Quran. Otherwise, I do some work, such as these days I am working on my Surah Fatiha, Surah Fatiha notes making. So after making some notes, I start eating my almonds, you can say, and after that I do some exercise and eat some breakfast. After eating the breakfast, I go on my laptop to do some work. Today I was doing science work little bit. So now after that, it's probably 9:30 when my class starts of Quran. And after reciting Quran, I have English class with my mom right now as I'm having. And after that, it is in the Arabiya class that I have. And after that, I used to do the work which I was doing, such as science or notes making regarding any of the subject, or reading regarding Seal Nectar, Nagusha Sahaba, or any other readers I take and start reading. And after that, it is probably 1 o'clock when I started with the Python work sometimes, okay, not every time. And till
It's
2
okay,
o'clock.
Salar. Thank you. It's enough. So, guys, have you noticed that how the way I told you about my routine and how the way Salar explain about his routine. But Salar, I must say you have to remove the so these kind of words make your conversation ineffective. So try hard that try to be fluent. Muaz, you and Hassan, can you tell me how old are you?
6.10 old.
Okay, that's great. And Ashar, how old are you? Ashar,
Yes,
how old are you, beta? What's your age?
I am 9 years old.
How old are you?
9 years.
Okay, great. And Muaz, how old are you? Are you 6, I guess, right?
I am 6.
Okay, great. Perfect. So the youngest kids, we have two youngest kids, then Ashar, Hashir, and Salar, Hassan and Muaz. So yes, and Ashar is younger, and Hashir and Salar are elder. So let me tell you one thing, beta, that you guys have to do the practice, and I will tell you later on. I will make your group that Hassan, Salar, and uh, Hashir. Okay. Hashir and Salar will have a group, and Ashar, Hassan, and Muaz have a group. So I will make two groups for this purpose, and you guys will on daily basis you guys will send the audios to each other in talking in English. So I can keep an eye on you that you guys are practicing, and the cartoon of Upkid Caillou I have shared in the group. You guys, all of you will watch that cartoon and share the things that what have you noticed in that video, and all of the things, all of the scenario you guys will discuss in those audio clips, and I will check that those audio clips that who is doing what, because this class is totally for improving your listening and speaking skills, and then we will more work on written skills later, but not now so much. Yes, you will get the writing home assignments, but these would not very much I don't want you to burdenize towards writing, but you have to note down all of the vocabulary, like from that Caillou's video you have to note down the difficult words of vocabulary and make the sentence, and next class I will check. I hope you all understood. So let's move on. Yes, Hashir, can you tell me about your routine? Yes, Hashir.
Okay. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock After that, I pray my salah. After that, I eat breakfast usually. After
Yes.
that, I take my class of what we say that tafakkur Quran. Deeper
Okay.
looking.
Harshal, little bit
After
louder.
okay. After that, I go to at gallery to feed my pet. After that, I usually do exercise. After that, I go to play outside for a time means half hour.
Okay.
Then I come on computer to take a time of computer.
All right.
After that, I think so. I spend times with my brothers and my mom.
All right.
It
Great,
is good
Harshal.
and
Okay, good job. Do more practice because more practice will make you more skillful towards your improvement. Okay. Now let's move on. Hassan. Yes, Hassan.
Hashir, what is your pet?
my pet is a rooster.
Okay. Yes, Hassan. Can you tell me about your routine, beta?
I wake 8, 9 o'clock. Then I eat breakfast. Then I brush my teeth. Mm, Then then I then then I
Then I do
my
my
Quran
breakfast.
class. I breakfast. Then I then I
Yes. Then I start my study or then I take my class.
then I take my Quran class.
Okay, that's great. After having my Quran class, then
We have cartoon time. Then we
okay,
play.
wow. Then
Then we study.
okay, that's great. That's really great. So Hassan, you did very well, but obviously, uh, Hassan's mom, I'm speaking with you that even I am speaking with all the moms that you guys have to speak with your kids. Then they will be fluent. So try hard. I know that you also have to do some practice to speak with your kids in English. But if you will work hard, believe me, you will get the fluency as well. Means from this class, you get facilitated by yourself and with by yourself with your kids. You can do the practice with your kids. So you will also improve your English and you will also get the grip in your fluency, believe me. But the most important thing is that in last 5 minutes, I will tell you the quick tips. So you guys have to note down the tips. I'm talking to the mothers. Okay, kindly you need to note down the tips. Uh, those tips are very helpful for implementing, practicing speaking and listening skills on daily basis with your kids. Okay, so let's move on. Ashar and Moaz are left. Moaz, yes, Moaz. Can you please tell me about your routine?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maz.
Okay.
I wake up at 8 o'clock and then I wash my face and brush my teeth and then I drink my honey water and then I hear to morning askar and then
We will go to the terrace and we like to play with mud and the plants and then we come back and and I love to do crafting and
That's really great, Maz. It's really nice to hear from you. You are very, mashallah, already you are speaking very well. Now let's move on to Ashar because time is running out. Yes, Ashar,
thank
can you? You're welcome. Yes, Ashar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
My name is
assalam.
Mohammed Ashar.
Yes.
I
Tell me your
wake
routine.
and my age is 9. I wake up at sometimes 7 o'clock and sometimes 8 o'clock. I take breakfast at 10 o'clock
Okay.
and then
Yes. It's okay. That's
then
great.
I pray my salah.
Yes.
Then I pray my salah.
All right.
Then I watch some TV.
Mm-hmm.
At 2 o'clock, no, I think so 1:30, I go outside to pray Zohar Salah. Then I
Okay,
go
Ashar.
home.
It's really nice to hear you. You are, mashallah, trying hard in speaking. I must say, all of you guys did very well, try hard, but you need to be consistent in your practice. Believe me, in some days you will get a strong grip in your fluency, inshallah. So let me give you a quick tip, some quick tips regarding practicing that half an hour you should have to take out at least half an hour for listening practice. As I have shared the Kayu's video in the group, that is for the purpose of listening practice. You have to listen it and put the phone upside down. Don't watch it. First time you can watch it, and second time you have to put the phone upside down and just try hard to listen what the people are speaking in that video. All of you do this practice. That only use your listening sense. Don't use your seeing sense. I mean, don't use your watching sense, only use your hearing sense. So second time when you will see the clip, you have to put the phone upside down and you can listen it properly and note down the words in your copy. And then after that, you guys will discuss. You guys will have to make some sentences in your head and uh, send the audio notes to each other and discuss about the clip that what have you understand after watching that video. I hope you understood all of the things. And a part of that, as I gave you the vocabulary side by side, so that vocabulary, moms kindly write down the vocabulary and paste the paper pieces of vocabulary papers, stick them with the you can stick them in any place of your house which would be exposed very much. Like for instance, you can paste those vocabulary words in the wall of lounge or somewhere else where kids and you can easily see and remind yourself that these words you need to use in your conversation. Because when we memorize the vocabulary words, when we have crowded words in our head, we can easily speak, we can easily make the sentences. Due to the lack of words, this is difficult and hard to make a sentence. So that's why I must say that vocabulary should be remember yourself and learn the vocabulary by heart and understand the meaning and make the sentences. So I will share the vocabulary today. I have shared, I guess, but there is no time right now to discuss about that. Tomorrow we will discuss about the vocabulary. I just want to give you more tips regarding that. Sit with your kid, make a schedule for learning English daily. At least 1.5 hours take out for that purpose. Half an hour for speaking practice, half an hour for listening practice. Speaking practice, in the speaking practice, you guys have to speak up. Like आप कोई भी बात कर सकती हैं. Like I have which object is around you? I have so many things around my table. Like you can say a pen, a ruler, a mouse, a notebook, a tablet, or a phone. So take any object and ask the child that what is this and tell me something about this object. This is a very good activity to enhance, to improve the kid's vocabulary and to improve the kid's sentence making in his head. So this is very good practice. Ask the child some other things. Ask the child about switchboard, ask the child about wall or ceiling or fan. So side by side I'll guide you that how you can do the things. I have also another very interesting activity of picture description. Tomorrow we will discuss about the vocabulary and we will do the picture description. Today your today's home assignment is that you guys have to watch that Kayu's video, note down some vocabulary words, make the sentences. I need the homework till night. I need the homework for sure. So you guys have, after watching that video, you guys have to make some sentences in your head and send the audio. Okay, I'm making the two groups, one for Salar and Hashir and one for Muaz, Hassan and Ashar. Okay, so all of these, like in all of these groups, you have to discuss about that video, that what was happening in that video, what Kayu was doing with his younger sister or his father or mother, or what was the situation where they were at that time. What was the place? Either it would be the lounge of house, either it would be the outside house or restaurant or circus or somewhere else. So you need to figure out the things. I hope you got understood all of the things. If there would be any question, kindly let me know and ask me, because we are very short of time and our time is just running out.
I
Yes.
understood.
Salar, can you please elaborate whatever I have explained about the tips? Sit here. I can see that you are playing. You are not listening. So kindly explain it.
Yes, so my mom said that you have to take at least 1.5 hour.
Spend.
Parents have to spend 1.5 hour. with
Parents
their-
have to?
Yes, na parents and kids,
Kids.
both.
Yes.
Parents and kids both. And the parents and kids both will get the benefit from this because they will do the conversations. And my mom will make the two groups in which there would be me and Hashir, one group, and the second group there would be Hassan and Hashir and Maaz. And after that, so we will watch the today's assignment is we will watch the Caillou cartoon, and after that we will have to note down the vocabulary words. And after noting down the vocabulary words, we would have to make the we would have to make new sentences and audio it in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. What else? I've explained.
These are the things you have explained, and today night you want the sentences to be completed.
Okay. This is the video which I have. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the video which I have shared in the group. So we will see this video by tomorrow in the class. So you need to see this video, but ask your mom that do the practice regarding this lesson, which I have shared. All of the dialogues are given here. And this video you have to watch at home. And first time you have to watch and listen. And second time you have to put the phone upside down and just listen. Only listen, okay? And what else? Yes, I have shared the videos. Right now we have 10 minutes. So let's discuss about the vocabulary. So let's discuss. Yes. Can you see the picture, everyone?
Yes, I can see this.
All right.
Yes, me.
All right. So what is this? This is the idiom, and we have to learn the idioms and phrases regularly. Ask to your mom that, write it in sticky note and paste it where you can easily see during the day or night or sometime like you can say. Can someone share the meeting passcode? Okay, Salar.
Is it?
Yes,
We have to
Sidra,
share-
right now we are running out the time. Are you listening and you can easily take the session, or shall we have to share the link, passcode?
Not there. maybe.
Sidra, are you here?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
Walaikum salam.
आंटी, सिनेरियो ये है कि मोबाइल की स्क्रीन छोटी है, तो मैं इस्माइल को टैब के ऊपर लगा के देना चाहता हूँ।
Beta, okay, Salar, jaldi se let's wait a minute.
ओके, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।
And it would be started, इसका टाइम जो है ना 10 o'clock है, ठीक है? तो आप शार्प 10 पे मामा से कहना ये शेयर करवा दिया करें. सलार विल शेयर द पासकोड नेक्स्ट टाइम, ठीक है? ये है ना पिक्चर लो.
ओके, चलो।
Just wait a minute.
Sending picture.
Wait a minute. Oops. Mahad, it's sent to your mom's number. Yes. So we were discussing about everyone can see the picture? Yes, Moss, can you tell me what is written on it, or someone else?
जैसे ईमान
Is not my cup of tea.
is not my
Yes.
cup
Does
of
anyone know about the meaning of this idiom?
It is not
It
my
is-
cup of tea. मतलब ये मेरा चाय का कप नहीं है.
Urdu is not allowed in my
of
class, especially from
आपने क्या-
kids. Yes?
Yes.
Can you please explain it in English?
It means
If
it means
something-
it,
Yes.
Wait a
it
minute.
means it is not my hobby.
No, it's not about hobby. Yes, Salar, can you please explain?
It means if something is not yours. They are explaining by cup of tea. So if something is not yours, it is not what you like or are interested in.
Like, for instance, it's not like hobby. If someone is saying that let's watch the movie, and you don't like to watch the movie, you like to stay at home and spend some quality time with your mother. So you would say to your friend, no, it is not my cup of tea. I'm more interested in spending time at home with my mom. Got it? It's not my cup of tea means that, like, for instance, Hashir's mom says that, come on, Hashir, can you please, what can we say? Can you please eat the banana? So what Hashir would say? No, it's not my cup of tea. I'm more interested in eating apple, not banana. Okay?
Okay, but why we should use this sentence everywhere that we shouldn't like to do that?
Yes, exactly. If someone is offering you something, so you have to say, it's not my cup of tea. In terms of using some more sentences, like, let me tell you more sentences about this. Like, for instance, Salar will ask, Mama, can you please join me in playing games, especially playing games? Which games? Computer games. So what would I say? No, Salar, it's not my cup of tea. I'm more interested in reading books. Okay? With you. Okay? All right. Let's do another picture. ये कल हम discuss करेंगे. Hit the roof. It means to become extremely angry. Like sometimes Salar hit the roof.
Yes, it means we are so angry, so angry that the clouds are coming out of our nostrils and ears.
Ha ha ha. Very funny. It's so funny. So how can you use if someone is around you, if someone around you is angry, getting angry, and it's you can say devastatedly angry, extremely angry. So what would you say? You are hitting the roof. Just calm down. Okay? For
When
today,
my
yes.
when my sister
What it
fight
mean
with
by?
when my sister fight with me, then I hit the roof.
Oh God. So Maz, you get extremely angry.
Hashir, it means
Yep.
that
Okay.
you are extremely angry in something. Hit the roof means this.
So
And
But
you are also
I'm not
hitting the
saying
roof.
that. What is mean by that?
yes,
To
can you
hit
make the
the
sentence, Hashir?
I can't understand. That's why I can't understanding that.
What you can't understand? It means getting so much angry. If someone is getting so much angry, so you use, instead of getting angry, you use hitting the roof. You are not supposed to say he is angry. Instead of that, you will say he is hitting the roof.
Oh, I
Okay?
understand.
Okay. So can you make the
When
sentence?
I hitting the
Um,
roof,
Uh,
I drink water
I like
and do a roof.
Usher hit the roof, right? Like
No,
that.
but why me?
Oh, okay. Calm down. Don't fight. All right.
Don't hit the roof.
Okay.
Usher
So
hit the roof.
yes, it's enough for today. Let's discuss the things which we have learned today. Yes, can anyone explain
Hit
that
the roof
how can we do the
when we
work today?
find out.
Almost, not now. Yes, Hassan. Hassan, have you understood about both of the words? And yes, we have a new student, Ismail. Ismail, can you please give your introduction? Ismail is here?
Yes.
Where? Yes. Yes, Ismail, are you there, beta? Can you please give your introduction?
Yes, speak.
My name is Ismail.
Okay.
I
And?
am a boy.
Mm-hmm. How
I
old are
am
you?
6 years old.
Okay.
I am Muslim. I am homeschooling.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, that's really nice. Can you tell me about your routine? Today, everyone told me in the class about their routine, like how the way they wake up in the morning. And can you elaborate in English easily about your routine? How the way you, like, when do you wake up? And then what's your activities after waking up?
I wake up.
I wake up 7 o'clock.
Okay. Then what do you do?
I am
Brush my teeth.
brush my teeth और
Okay.
pets को खाना देते हैं.
Okay. You can say, I used to give food to my pets.
मेरे हैं 2 pets. वो है buddies.
Ismail, try to speak in English. कोशिश करो. Urdu is not allowed in my class.
Okay.
Yes, say I have 2 pets
I have 2 pets.
and I give food to them every day.
अभी वो कुछ भी नहीं खाते. अभी हम उनके लिए दाना जहाँ से हमें लिए उनसे पता लेने जा रहे हैं कि वो क्या खाते हैं.
Okay.
वो दाने तो नहीं खा रहे.
So you can say, I try to feed my pets, but they don't eat.
हमने उनको एप्पल भी दिया है, पानी भी दिया है.
Okay.
एक दिन मैं एप्पल दिया था